a developer instance. Okay, first I will tell you like what is this instance, what is the use of it, how do we use in real time. Okay, so today was the day two. Okay, I think yesterday concepts are clear. If anything you want to ask, you can ask in last 15 minutes as I told yesterday, right? So yeah, we'll start with day two. Okay, so first thing, if I go here, right? So what is instance? Okay, so instance is a place or is a platform. Instance is a place where all the applications or modules available to use for the business. Okay, so basically we call it as an instance or we call it as a service now environment. Okay, so for example, how do I tell you what is an environment, right? For example, let's say here took the bank account. Okay, so once you took the bank account, you want to use internet banking. Okay, so you need to go and log into their website. Okay, so let's say ICICI Bank. Yesterday I told you, right? So see, this is a website, right? So similarly, if you want to use their futures, if you want to use their whatever they are providing, right, the services. Okay, you should log into this website with the credentials, and you need to use their services or products, whatever they are. Like products means personal loan, these all things. So you need to use their products and services. Correct. Similarly, in ServiceNow, we have an instance. I'm just telling you for example. Okay, that's ICICI. Here also we have an instance or environment where ServiceNow will ServiceNow will provide their applications, plugins, or their modules to the business to use it and rectify their problems. Okay, so I think you got now what is an instance. Instance is an environment where we have all ServiceNow applications. We can use it or we can configure it, we can redevelop it, we can customize it. Okay, and second thing, so how these instances will be like. Okay, so in real time, and if you are working in a real time project, so basically we have three instances. Okay, one is dev, another one is test, another one is prod. Okay, and few companies also will have this sandbox and some other like development staging dev. Okay, it depends. Okay, mostly in the market, like in the real time you are working, you will find these were the instances like dev, test, prod. Okay, so these were the the optional, like if company want to do more testing and then only they want to put it in a prod, they can put a number of instances inside. Okay, so basically these instance is an license that will organization will buy that license so that they will have access to the all the modules available in the service now. Okay, so that's the meaning of an instance. It's similar like an environment where we have all the applications. I think this is clear, right? What is an instance?
Okay.
Yeah, so similar way, what the ServiceNow did is, okay, see, ServiceNow will not only provide instances for companies with the license, right? So they were the people or the developers who are learning. Okay, so let's say I want to learn ServiceNow, I can't buy an instance from ServiceNow and learn, right? So what ServiceNow did is, okay, ServiceNow has provided a developer instance which is for free. Okay, and it includes I think 60% of the modules. Okay, rest 40% is a premium thing. We can't buy them. Like it is very premium thing. We don't even need also for the basics. Okay, and 60% of the things developers can practice and learn the service now. Okay, so that's why these personal developer instances are instances are into the picture. Okay, these instances are similar how do you see in the production. Okay, so only the difference is here we have only one instance. Okay, but company will have two or three instances, as I told here, right? Like dev, test, prod, these all instances, because there will be the business impact if something goes wrong at somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it, instance and what it is. Okay, now I will guide you creating a developer instance. Okay, how to create a new instance for us, because see, whatever the activities I'm going to tell you here. Okay, that all you need to do it in there only. Okay, so it is very mandatory step. Okay, to complete this instance creation. Okay, now I will tell you how to create. Okay, if you have, if you're able to create with me, it's fine. Like if you want to create it later, you can create, that's up to you, but I will just show you the step by step process. Okay, so first what you need to do is you just go to the Google and just enter ServiceNow developer. Okay, just type this and you will get this. Okay, ServiceNow developer. So you click on this. Okay, then just let me put this aside. Okay, so you can click on sign up and start building. Okay, so once you click on sign up, it will just show you, give the first name and last name. Okay, for example, I'm giving this and give you a email ID. Okay, so I will just copy this. Okay, and fill this, and I will give you this link, not a problem. Okay, I will put it in the chat or I will share it in the group. Okay, just put all the details here. Okay, and just click this and just click on sign up. Okay, so that your instance will be created. I will just show you. Okay, so you'll get an email to this email ID, which whatever you have given. Okay, just open that email and just verify it. Okay, you will see verify email option there. Okay, so just verify it. Once you, as I am doing it in my mobile, once you verified, right, you can just refresh this page or you can go back. Okay, can go back and you click on sign in here. Okay, then you copy this email ID, whichever you have given. Okay, and just click next and just enter your password here. Yeah, it will show like this once your email was verified and everything was done. So what you need to do is, so you just select yes here. Okay, I'm a developer oriented. If you need a guidance, we'll tell you, don't need to click and waste the time there. Just click on yes. Okay, and click on next and just describe your job responsibilities here. Okay, here you just mention everything. Okay, you, you just mention everything and just click on I have read and click on finish setup. Okay, so here we need to request an instance. Okay, for that you just click on request instance here. It will process in some time. It will take some minutes. Just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see this option here, right? So fulfilling option here. Okay, and then it will take some time, and yeah, we'll wait. Okay, so basically this is how you need to request your instance, and this will have the admin role. You can see here user role is admin. So okay, so admin means admin can do administration and also development. Okay, it is a superpower role in ServiceNow, right? If everything, if user has an admin role, he can do anything. Okay, and these will be the applications installed like App Engine Studio, Creator Studio, ServiceNow Studio. We'll discuss these on upcoming classes. So just verify that you have this admin role. Okay, sometimes it will not install with admin role and it will install with some tester role. Okay, just identify like it is admin or not. And this release, I think yesterday I told you about versions, right? So every instance will have a version. Okay, here, if you remember, yeah, here, versions of ServiceNow. So we will get this instance in an Zando version. Okay, so even if you want to upgrade, you can also upgrade that instance. For that, what you need to see, currently we have, I think I will just show you. Think one person joined today. I will just show you what it is. So this is okay, Amma. We are here today, right? So if you want to just upgrade your instance, click on here, okay, and select this this upgrade instance. Okay, basically, this upgrade will take at least 2 hours. Okay, so these are personal instances, and there will be a lower usage by developers in the many whoever want to learning service now, right? So many of the people using it. So it will, if you click on that upgrade instance, it will at least take 2 hours to get that features in your personal developer instance. Okay. So if you want to upgrade, just click on. I will upgrade this, but not now because we have to. I have to continue with the other topic. So I will just leave it for Zando version at the moment. Okay. And we have here email properties, release instance, change user role. Let's say if you want to change your user role, here it is admin, right? So let's say you want to change your instance role. You can just click on. You can just click to studio, create a studio. Okay. These were the few things which are important. And yeah, you just want to know these details. Okay. Now just I will just refresh and see if instance comes up. Okay, it is still loading. Meanwhile, I will just show you my personal instance how it will be there. You can see my this thing, right? Okay, once it is done, it shows like this. Okay, it will show you some dev 7850. This is your instance name. Okay, you click on start building here. Okay, so it will ask for user ID and password. Okay, I will tell you once it is loaded, like how this user ID password will be generated. Okay, um, yeah, I will give you time here. Okay. Mm, okay, still happening. Yeah, fine. What you need to do is you need to enter your ID. Okay, you just enter your password. Okay, and just log in into it. So now you are into the ServiceNow platform. Okay, so there are the few basic things here. If you are going to work in a ServiceNow project, you need to understand few things. See, whatever you are saying this, right? HTTP in the URL. Okay, so this is your instance ID. Okay, so this will be unique for every person. This ID will be unique. Okay, for example, if you create an instance today, you will get another number like 186078. Okay, this is a unique number. This is our personal developer instance will be there. Okay, so let's say if you are working for an organization, like your organization have an instance in real time, like how this will appear is, and here in the name of it won't come with this number. Okay, it will come with company name. Okay, for example, if I say ICICI, right? So ICICI dev ICICI at the rate of servicenow.com. Okay, if it is a test, simply what what will change? Nothing will change. Only this thing will change. dev is there, right? So they will simply see these are licensed instances for a companies, right? So they will put company name in instance name. I mean instance URL. Okay, similar to the prod. So prod also we have similar. It will just commit as the company name and production. Okay, this is how in the real projects it will be there. Okay, but at the moment, personal instances will be like this. Dev 7 something. Okay, so yeah, that's about this uh, instance creation. Any questions for the creation? Okay, so I can take it as no questions. And yeah, so okay, so this is a ServiceNow platform, guys. Okay, once you log in, oh, 1 minute. Okay, so this is a ServiceNow platform. You won't get like this, but yeah, you will get like this. This is a ServiceNow platform. So this is where our daily job will be. Okay, so if I want to do my daily job in a ServiceNow as a developer or an admin, I need to log into this. The particular this will be different based on your company. URLs will be different and logins will be provided by your company. Okay, so this is the place where we will work every day in our daily jobs. Okay, so basically here we have the few things which are basic to understand. Okay,